Hello, welcome back. Laurel with the Mom Edit at Urban Movement Arts. We are now going to take the steps that we drilled in the workout, the steps that we put together in the tutorial, and now do it to the original song that it was choreographed to. Remember that this is part 1, and there's still a part 2 that we need to add on to this, but this is your basics, and I think it's easier to get started with something small. So we're going to turn on the song Ain't No Sunshine, one of my favorites, and just practice what we just learned. And meet me back next week so we can finish this combo. All right, let's get started.
Alfredito. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I know. I had to leave young thing alone, 'cause ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every